Welcome to Lovina Beach, a serene haven on Bali's northern coast. Today, we're diving into the amazing experiences you can't miss. Dolphin watching at sunrise. Snorkeling and diving at Lovina Reef. Relaxing at Banjar Hot Springs. Visit Rahmavihara-Arama Buddhist Monastery. Explore the Git waterfall. Take a traditional Balinese cooking class. Explore the secret gardens of Sambang. For a unique shopping experience, visit the Lovina Art Market. End your day with a stunning sunset at Lovina Beach. Thank you for watching. Visit prologuetour.com and get cheap flight ticket deals to Bali and other accommodations. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to get more information on the Prologue Tour.